Hello and welcome. Discounts are a very strategic way to increase the interest of buyers to your products. But how do you put discount on listings in eBay? Hello everyone, welcome to How to Guide. In this video, we're gonna see how we can put discount on listings in eBay. Well, that's pretty straightforward. The first step is going to the Sell tab at the top section. Once you click on it, you will land your seller hub page. Now, from the tabs, choose Market. Let's close this store. The discounts are related to promotions, so let's select it. Allowing discounts for your listings are only available if you have eBay store subscription, and it can be accessed whether you are subscribed to any of these subscription plans: starter, basic, premium, anchor, enterprise. If you have any one of these subscription plan, you will land a page which give you options for order discounts, coupons, shipping discounts, sell events, volume pricing discounts. If you want to reduce prices for selected items or categories, you need to select the sell events. Once you've done that, you will have a page like this where you can choose a discount from your item. Once you've set your discount percentage, you can select the items you want to apply the discount to. And finally, after reviewing, you can launch your discount campaign. If you want discounts associated with different conditions, like when buyer buys in multiple quantities of a single item, or offering exclusive discounts to buyers by using a coded coupon, and based on the order size or the amount spent by the buyer, you want to allow discounts, then there are options too. Now you know how to put discount on eBay. If you found this video helpful, do give this video a big thumbs up. If you still have any questions, do leave them in the comment section and we'll get back to you right away. Until next time, bye bye.